What's up, everybody, and today is me, Luis again, Dempsey. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox 360 controller. Alright, hold on. See these? Yeah, if that was you, do not put them together, like don't let them touch like this, don't do that, because it will get you on fire or something like that. And if you have one of these, and you put them in the back of it, and you put it like this, and pretend that like the cords are right here, this right here would get really burning hot. That's why I prefer to use these. These right here are not. So you want to put the black one. You want to put the black one right there. So hold on. And it does work. Just gotta make sure it's really in there. And I do this all the time. Sorry guys, hold on. I'm just trying to fix it. Alright, and then you should put this and use these, by the way. No batteries in there. Plug it in, and it's the same thing. Hold on. And see if that worked. It's working right now. You can't really see that on first. See? And that's how you fix it. See you guys. Bye.